Have you ever wondered why some people earn a good salary, but still feel broke every single month? It's usually not about how much you earn. It's about a few small habits, repeated over and over, without you even noticing. Today we're breaking down 10 money habits that quietly keep people poor, even when they're working hard. Stick with me till the end, because habit number 7 is the one almost nobody talks about. Habit 1. Spending more than you earn. It sounds obvious, but most people don't even realize they're doing it, because it happens a little at a time. A slightly bigger apartment, a few extra subscriptions, dining out just this once, over and over again. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly eats every raise you ever get. Habit 2. Never tracking where your money actually goes. If you don't know exactly what you spent last month, you can't fix what's broken. Most people could easily save more. They just don't know where the leaks are. Without a budget, your money doesn't work for you. It just disappears. Habit 3. Only paying the minimum on credit cards. It feels responsible, but most of that payment goes straight to interest, not your actual balance. Which means the debt barely shrinks, month after month, no matter how long you keep paying. This single habit alone can cost people tens of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Habit 4. Having no emergency fund. When life throws a surprise expense at you, a car repair, a medical bill, where does the money come from? For most people, it goes straight on a credit card, and that's how debt cycles begin. Even a small emergency fund can stop one bad month from turning into years of debt. Habit 5. Never investing and letting money just sit. Cash sitting in a regular savings account quietly loses value every year to inflation. Meanwhile, money that's invested, even small amounts, grows on its own over time. The people who build wealth aren't always the highest earners. They're the ones who started investing early. Habit 6. Buying liabilities instead of assets. A liability takes money out of your pocket. An asset puts money into it. A brand new car, the latest phone, constant upgrades. These all lose value the moment you buy them. Wealthy people aren't anti-spending. They just spend on things that build wealth, not just image. Habit 7. Having no clear financial goals. Without a target, extra money just gets absorbed into daily spending, with nothing to show for it. I want to save more isn't a goal. I want $10,000 saved by December is. A specific goal gives your money direction, and direction is what most people are missing. Habit 8. Relying on a single source of income. If your only income depends on one job, your financial safety depends entirely on someone else's decision. It doesn't mean quitting your job. It means slowly building a second stream, even a small one. People with multiple income streams recover from setbacks faster, because one loss doesn't wipe out everything. Habit 9. Ignoring financial education completely. Nobody teaches this in school, which means most people learn about money by making expensive mistakes. Just 20 minutes a week learning about budgeting, credit, or investing can change your entire financial future. The people who struggle least with money are usually the ones who took the time to understand it. Habit 10. Comparing your life to everyone else's. Social media makes it easy to feel behind, even when you're actually doing fine. Spending to keep up with someone else's highlight reel is one of the fastest ways to drain your savings. Your only real competition is where you were financially last year. So here's the truth. None of these habits are really about money. They're about awareness. Once you can see them, you can start changing them one at a time. You don't need to fix all 10 today. Just pick one and start there. If this helped you spot a habit you didn't notice before, hit subscribe, because here we don't just talk finance. We talk about the future you're building, one smart decision at a time.